Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss why some posts can't be boosted and how to fix it. If you're trying to boost a post but it says it couldn't be boosted, there could be any reason behind it, and I'll show you how you can fix it and how you can boost your post easily. So first you have to just simply make sure you have the Instagram app, and if you have it, just simply click onto its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will be onto its home page. Then you just have to simply go to your profile. Once you get there, open the post that you would like to boost, and after that you have to click onto that boost post option. As you click onto it, it says that this reel video can't be boosted because you have used the Instagram music and there will be an issue like copyright issue by that music owner, so we can't boost this post. So in that case we don't have any option. What you can do is that you can post the same reel again but without the music. If you want the music, you can apply it while you're editing it and upload it as your original audio, and then you can just simply boost it. So the videos that have the Instagram music cannot be boosted. So just simply take that post that don't have the Instagram music, click onto that boost option, then you will see that it doesn't show any sort of issue. It will take you there. Just simply add all these options as per your choice that we do while uploading or posting a post. You can do everything, add your payment method, then you will have this option boost post. Simply click onto it and your post will be posted. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.